Hi guys, we're at the ice cream place now, and we got our menu. Table and chairs. The menu. I'm getting strawberry. I'm getting it with a cup. Mommy, what are you getting?
I don't know yet.
Daddy, what are you getting?
I'll have a beer.
Beer? Daddy's gonna have a beer. Ooh, you're gonna have biscotti ice cream? What? Do you know what my mom's talking about? Everywhere.
Oh, actually, do you know what you want?
Yup.
No, you go ahead. I don't know yet. We don't know.
Okay. We actually know. This is me, Xander, and back in my video. And then we're everywhere in the country. We're at Tenerife still. Not in our hotel. Later, guys, see you at the hotel. And we're gonna show you our hotel, okay, guys? Bye.